Good morning and welcome back to Get a Life. We are sitting on the main drag at Thai Beach, waiting for transport to take us on our adventure today. We're going snorkeling. So buckle in, it's going to be pretty crazy. Lena's never done it before, so we'll see how we go. So it should be a good adventure day. So Lena and I, we're back at the wharf. Oh well, the weather's looking good today.
Yeah.
So we'll get ready to go on our little speedboat tour. And it should be nice. Two-stroke smells delightful. Coming to the television. Well, that's stop number 2. And it's not bad here either. We're actually on an island. We got dropped off. And here it is. The visibility is worse than the last joint. Lena's not really enjoying it, which is a shame. I was hoping she would. But yeah, no, it's pretty cool. But yeah, there's a few boats in here. It's like a bit of a harbour, unfortunately. 3, stop number 3. Looks like an abandoned resort. It's a bit strange. Amazing outlook. But yeah, looks like we're pulling in here for a look. Last stop of the tour. Absolutely gorgeous. And abandoned, possibly. So Lena and I are just checking out these sort of apartment things. They don't look lived in, but they don't look neglected. There's all bedding and stuff on the bed, like just doonas and that rolled up. Lena's found a deck chair. As you can see, neither of us are wearing sunglasses.
Oh, thanks.
Thanks to dickhead me having them in my pocket when I went swimming. They had the Velcro attached, but it wasn't enough, so they floated off. Thank God it's the last stop. I'll have to get some more Pablo sunnies when we get back. I like those ones. I've had them about 12 months. Only service station ones, but they were good. Oh well, we'll find some more. Have a bit more to explore around this place. Very strange. Would be sweet if it was operating. Like, look at the outlook, it's friggin' gorgeous. That's amazing. But yeah, a little bit strange. We'll have a walk around. So the beach doesn't have much crap on it. Looks like this path has actually been swept. You can see like rake marks and stuff. Then you look over there and there's a balustrade just like fallen off and the fence is all busted up. So it's a bit confusing. A bit strange. So I did see some people. There's a couple of local lads here. They're having something to eat at the moment. And there's some European, 3 Europeans, so I think someone might be taking the resort over. The local lads look like they're doing a bit of painting and painting works and renovations. They're doing small sections at a time. They might open it up gradually. So yeah, let's hope for it yet. Grand old place come back to life. Here they are here. Just settling in and doing some stuff, but yeah, hopefully it'll come back to life. So after a big day on the boat, we've got fire. Yeah. So we're at a buffet place where it's all you can eat for 329 baht.
Seafood, meat.
We got these prawns here. We've eaten scallops already, other prawns. Lena's had a few mussels. We were going to start filming, but it was too delicious, so we've just been going. Man, there's a ton of stuff. I'll walk you around and show you what you can get shortly, but yeah, it's going good so far, and it's just slow and steady and chug away. You can stay here as long as you want. Get some of these river prawns on. There's baby ockies here as well. Bit of those. There's another section over the other side over here that's got tons of different sauces and pickles and stuff that you can fill up on. So yeah, awesome. We'll get back to you after we've I'll show you what it looks like and what the choices are. But yeah, 329 baht, man. Amazing value. So here we are, here's the choices. So I got the awesome little scallops there. Some mussels, clams. Got oysters bagged up there in little takeaway containers, which I might grab. Some little blue crabs, fish pieces, baby ockies. Heaps of pre-prep stuff here, like Korean barbecue cuts, marinated meat, little balls and other little treats. Yeah, really good selection, man. Nice. Those. It's the popular spot because there's some prawns here. Yeah, there's pre-marinated stuff as well. Tiny crabs there, and you can have a papaya salad made for you. Pretty amazing. All down the other side, I'll just show you now, and then I'll go and get something to eat for myself. It's a little shumai and mini pork bun stand, some fried rice, and little nuggets and stuff for the kids, and some fries. Heaps of different sauces, fantastic. And then all the fresh stuff to go in the soups. Heaps of mixed greens. And awesome mushroom selection, man. So amazing. So yeah, great. And then if you're still peckish, there's the dessert selection, which is pretty cool. Fruit. Yeah, heaps of stuff, man. So there's soup down here as well. Oh, it's good. Steamboat's bubbling away. Lena's got a ton of supplies to go in there. I've just done my cooking job. And I did the prawns first. And then I've done all the veg. And now I'll pour over this delicious chili and garlic oil. Oh, vinaigrette, type of vinaigrette. Yeah, it's got a bit of spice on it, but yeah, it's nice, it's really good. Lena's eaten half a mountain of mussels there. Really good. Nothing tastes sus, man. It's super fresh, it's amazing. So yeah, really enjoying it. What do you reckon, Pooch? You loving it, mate?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, good on you.
I'm an expert at cooking seafood, that's why you're here.
No, that's alright. If it looks like it's cooked, it's probably cooked.
Okay.
Just leave it on the side for a bit and then it'll be, it won't be overcooked. Let's have a look at that prawning. Oh, you got ribbon ones in there, okay.
I've got both.
Yep, they're done, mate.
Okay.
Take it out and just let the residual heat cook it through and they'll be good. That one's not quite.
No. Oh.
Alright, good job.
That's goodness, huh?
Lena's still going. I'm done. I've eaten a ton, but she's pressing on. Good on her. Yeah. The meal's all done.
Yep.
Oh, so's my bloody voice.
Oh, it's getting worse.
My voice is done, the meal's done. See if you can pick where I was sitting. A little bit flimsy the chairs, but the bloody meal was amazing, so tip top. Last night in KOH Chang tonight. Bit of a shame. Sort of like this joint, it's good. So yeah, ready to go to 7-Eleven, get some ice cream delights. Lena will be able to squeeze something else in surely. Good on you, mate. All right.